Hi guys, today I'll be introducing you dictionary in Python. So to start, we will click Spyder in the Anaconda navigator, and I have already coded this stuff so that it will be easier for you to follow. So here dictionary is being initialized. So how is it different from an array? So dictionary or list. So it is different from array and list in this concept that it has got keys and values. Dictionary has got keys and values. So for every key there will be a value. So other than indexes, we have keys here. So we can see those two lines of code, and I try to retrieve the value assigned to the key second. So next, let me see how to delete each entry. So there is only a simple command to delete the entry. You just have to specify the key of which you have to delete the entry. Use the pop command, dictionary, your particular dictionary's name .pop, and use that particular key, and that key and value will be removed out from the dictionary. Actually we are not removing the key, we are actually removing the value, and the associated key will be automatically become immaterial. So I'll just run it again, print that particular fifth line, but it's actually doesn't make any sense. I have to run that particular dictionary whether it is containing that particular key value or not. So I'll just remove second from that fifth line, that key second. So I'm just removing it and printing it again. So here we can see there is this particular button which I click every time. You just have to go to the particular line and click that button, so that selected that particular line will be executed rather than executing the entire Python code. So you can see that particular key and value has been deleted from the dictionary. And how to feed a new entry to the existing dictionary? You just have to use the name and use the key and assign the value to the key, as I have coded it right now. Dictionary within inverted commas first, that is the new key, and the new value which we are assigning, that is ABC. So if you just execute it, you don't have to select it, you just have to bring the cursor and click it at the start of that line and click that particular button which I am clicking, so it will execute that line only. So we can see after printing, you can see that particular key and value has been stored into the dictionary. There is one more way to delete an entry, that is by using del command. Del particular dictionary name and the key name, that will remove that key and value from the dictionary. And these are small tricks which you can do with the dictionary, and I will talk about pandas as well as modules in the next lecture.